Hello. In this video, I'm going to unbox and try out this Renpho Eyeris Smart. This is an eye massager, and disclosure, this was sent to me by Renpho to make an honest and unbiased review. I'm a huge fan of Renpho products. Okay, so this is easy for me to talk about their products, even though we are in this collaboration. I'm a huge fan. Well, I'm a huge fan of these products. Okay, so let me show you how the box looks. Here you have some features, and this is because I have the previous model of this eye massager, and this one of the upgrades is that you can use the smart app with this, which is pretty awesome. This is something that I love about some products, those which are you can use with the smart app in Renpho. They are pretty nice. Smart app, immersive music experience, message to de-stress, and this is one of the reasons I asked them to try this eye massager, because by the end of the day we are tired, so we like to use these kind of things. Portable, sleek design, and also it has eating function for radiant eyes. Pretty nice. Okay, so let's open the box to see what we'll get inside. There you go. There you go. Quick guide. Pretty. It's easy. It's really easy to use. User manual. Long press to turn on off device, short press to cycle through 5 massage modes. Usually the 5 massage modes, you have one which has the 3 features, let me call it like this: eating, vibration, air pressure. Then you have vibration, air pressure, and then you have just one of them, like hair pressure, just heating, or just vibration. Okay, so let's take this out. We have here this usual, this is nice sponge. Okay, we have here the charging cable, USB-A to USB-C, and here we have the eye massager. Believe me, by the end of the day, laying in the bed silently, this makes miracles. Okay, so this is how they look. Let me remove the plastic. As you can see, you just have here 3 buttons: power on and off, long press, short press. This changes the mode. And you have, I think you can, there you go. Let me show you. You can see this inflates. Let me change the mode just. And the thing is, you will get the voice information instructions. Okay, here you get everything. I think you can hear it. It's eating actually. And now let me sync this with my cell phone. Let me see what it is. It's here. There you go. So let me go to the beginning. This is the app. And as you can see it here. Okay. It's in Portuguese, but it already is showing connect. App connected. This is Portuguese, so you just need to change the. And I have here more Renpho devices, because I'm a huge. Before I started the collaboration with Renpho, I was a happy Renpho's customer. So just let me show you. So here you have the timer. Here you can choose the mode. Oh, nice, nice, because you have here, you can change the hair pressure off, soft and strong, the volume, and voice broadcasting, like this little lady telling you what to do. You can customize, pretty nice. You have these two preset options, but you can come up with different setups. For instance, if there's one, just if there's more than one person using this eye massager, which I really recommend, share it with your beloved ones, and then you can come up with different settings. Okay, you have, let me show you. Here you have the air pressure, the eating, vibration, and timing. Okay, and also you have different musics. Oh, nice. Pretty nice. And let me put them on so you can see how they look. And you can adjust the strap over here. There you go. My recommendation, lay on the bed, turn everything off. Well, not the the eye massager, okay, and enjoy, because this is really relaxing. Just let me tell you, most of the times I do this, I fall asleep because this is really relaxing. Okay, so this was the unboxing and tryout, first impressions about this eye massager by Renpho Eyeris Smart. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.